Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest ways of generating income online. Or at least, that's what it seems, right? Find a product, get your link, and then share it everywhere you can. But why does this seem so difficult for the complete newbie? Is it still possible to generate sales with no following, no ad budget, and no website? Well, in this video, we're going to learn step by step how to promote affiliate products with no website. And regardless of your past failures or your current lack of results, you can do everything I'm about to show you. However, this is not for the tire kickers who just want to lay in bed, watch cat videos, and eat potato chips. This method is for you if you're willing to put in the time and energy in order to make things happen. So if that's you, then please stay with me to the very end because I'm going to reveal exactly how I began generating sales just like these on a consistent basis. But hey, before we dive in, if you like videos about affiliate marketing and passive income, then definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss a new video. And with all that out of the way, let's get into profit. So your very first step is you'll want to join an affiliate network and you'll want to find something to promote, right? So ClickBank is obviously one of the biggest affiliate networks out there. It's been around for a very long time, well over 20 years, and I highly recommend if you don't already have an account for ClickBank, you'll want to go ahead and set one up. Otherwise, if you're in a country where ClickBank is currently not available for whatever reason and you want an alternative, I would highly recommend that you check out Digistore24. Now, I've actually done plenty of videos on Digistore24 recently within the past, month or two. Quite a lot of videos, and this one is available worldwide. So anywhere you are in the world, you could sign up to Digistore right here. Click on this button and it'll let you sign up, wherever you are in the world, and you could promote offers on this marketplace right here, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you an example with Digistore24 just to give you an idea. And here I am logged into the marketplace right here. So in this example, I'm going to be promoting this offer called Tube Mastery Monetization by Matt Parr. So this right here is a course that shows you how to build a YouTube channel, how to make passive income with YouTube, and how the creator runs 9 different YouTube niche channels without even showing his face, right? So that's exactly what this program is all about. And this is a $997 offer that pays out a 50% commission. So what that means for you is whenever you generate a sale with this offer, you will get a 50% commission, meaning that you'll get around $500 for every single sale that you generate, right? So pretty exciting stuff, right? So this is obviously the sales page right here. This gives you more information on what it's all about. It goes over the modules and it's got some testimonials down here. And this is exactly what it's all about right here. You could buy it right here if you want to. But the way that this works is you have your promo link right here. And whenever someone goes through this specific link and they buy the offer, you will of course get paid that commission. Now the question is, how exactly do you go about promoting this exact offer online? How do you actually get people to click on your link and actually buy the product, right? Because this is the thing that most new affiliates struggle with, is getting those long-term consistent sales online, right? So I want to show you a really cool way that you can actually start generating sales online. And this is like assuming that you're completely brand new, you don't have a massive following, you don't have a massive ad budget, and you don't have a website set up, and you're looking to, of course, get into profit, and you're looking to start, getting those consistent sales, right? So I want to show you a really cool method. And in the previous video that I done on this, I talked about medium.com and kind of the power of this site right here. But in this video specifically, I want to focus on YouTube, right? Now, YouTube is actually my main primary traffic source. In fact, I've been doing YouTube for a little over a year, and it's primarily what I use to promote products online, right? So this is primarily what I'm using. And, the question is, why YouTube, right? Why are you recommending doing YouTube? Do I really have to create videos? Why should I do YouTube? Well, I want to give you 3 really good reasons as to why you should consider starting a YouTube channel and promoting offers using YouTube. So first and foremost, YouTube is a search engine. Basically what that means is whenever someone goes on YouTube, they search up something very specific, right? And if you can get a video ranked very high up in the YouTube search engine under that keyword, this is some of the best traffic that you can get because people are getting exactly what it is that they're asking for. You're giving them exactly what they're looking for, and you can probably imagine that because of that, it's some of the highest quality traffic that you can get. Now, another reason for this is that videos are known to establish credibility, right? When someone sees an actual person on camera, or they see that you're presenting some information through video, they immediately trust you more than anyone else, or more than 90% of people that are not willing to do video, right? And by the way, if you are, let's say for example, if you're nervous to get on camera or you don't feel comfortable showing your face, I'll show you a really cool way on how you can make videos without showing your face, so be sure to stay tuned for that. But videos are known to establish credibility more than any other form of media out there, right? Except maybe calling people one-on-one, but who wants to do that nowadays, right? So videos are known to establish credibility. And reason number 3 is that your viewers are already expressing interest, right? So if someone is spending, 5 or 10 minutes with you, or perhaps more than that, depending on how long your videos are, they are already, by the time that they click on your link and they check out whatever it is that you're recommending to them, they are already interested in wanting to learn more about what that product is all about, right? So if they get lots of value from your video and they click on that link, well, that's someone that is really interested in, of course, potentially buying that product, right? And that's why YouTube is one of the best ways of generating traffic or getting sales online if you're completely brand new, right? So this right here is the power of YouTube. And as a bonus, one other really cool thing with YouTube is that you could also earn money with Google AdSense. And I want to show you exactly what is possible with Google AdSense. So in my case, I actually just recently got approved for the Google AdSense program. I just recently started earning money with this program within like the last month actually. And within my first month of being in this program, I've already made a little over 300 bucks completely passively. Now imagine this for a minute. Let's say that you are generating sales with YouTube. You've learned the platform. You're getting sales consistently. Imagine if you can get an extra 300 bucks completely passively, or maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less. Again, I don't want to make any guarantees, but imagine that you can get an extra $300 completely passively, regardless of if you're working or not. Does that sound awesome or what? I don't know about you, but this to me sounds, I mean, I was quite blown away when I saw this. But again, this is really to show you exactly what is possible. But in terms of generating sales online, here's what I've also been able to do. So this is another program that I promote called 4%. And with this one, I actually was able to make my very first $1,000 online, and these sales that I made with this program all came from YouTube traffic. So pretty much all of it came from, making YouTube videos and sending people to the software right here. Here's another program that I've been promoting called Invincible Marketer, and all of these sales that you see right here in my Gmail inbox, all of these pretty much came from my YouTube channel, right? So here's a $24.50 commission. I think there's like another one right here. This one is it's not showing it here for some reason. Here it is. This is another $24.50 commission. So this is really to show you exactly what is possible when you have a traffic source that simply works, right? So now that you've seen all this, I want to get into the actual strategy here. And there's actually two ways you can go about generating sales with YouTube, right? So the first method is doing something known as product reviews. So basically, whenever someone searches up product name plus review, they're very likely in that buying mode. And this method right here is perfect for beginners because you are getting in front of actual buyers, right? So, whatever it is that you're looking to promote online, one of the best things that you could do is create a review of that product and talk about exactly your experience. You talk about exactly what it's all about, just like how these videos right here are doing. And for example, if we check out this video right here by Jason Foster, this video is about 14 minutes long, and he pretty much goes over exactly what the program's all about. He pretty much explains his experience, goes over, what the modules are all about. And of course, at the end, he gives a call to action to of course, check out the program in his description, right? So anyone who watches his video and they click on his link down below and they, of course, buy the offer, he will, of course, get paid a commission for that. That's really how this method works in a nutshell. But let's say, for example, that, you're watching this and you're like, yeah, well, I don't feel like showing my face. I don't feel comfortable, getting on camera. And if that's the case, you could always use a tool such as Screencast-O-Matic. This is actually what I'm using right now to record this video, actually. And funny thing is, in my case, you see that, my face is, right here, up here in the corner. But I don't have to show my face if I don't want to, right? I could, there's a feature where you could just turn it off and you could just record your screen if you want to do that. And you don't have to be like super fluent on camera or, in terms of speaking to, of course, do these product reviews. You could simply just talk about your experience, talk about exactly what the program is all about, give the pros and cons of it. And then at the end, you want to give a call to action, say like, hey, if you want to check this out for yourself, if you're interested in making passive income with YouTube, click on the link down below and check it out for yourself, right? And that's where anyone who watches your video, if they want to learn more, they can click on your link. And if they buy it, you will, of course, get paid that commission, right? So this is the first method that you could use to generate sales with YouTube. Now, the second method is actually what I've been using primarily, and it's primarily what I've been doing within the past few months, and it's actually what's allowed me to grow my channel quite fast in the recent months, actually, and that is doing piggyback videos. And basically what that entails is you want to find YouTubers in your niche that are getting lots of views, that are, of course, very successful and very big, like, for example, John Prestani. We have Freedom Influencer. This video just started playing out of nowhere. I don't know why that is, but we've got John Cristani, we have Freedom Influencer, we have Marissa Romero, Andy FL, and there's tons of other channels, inside the affiliate marketing niche or make money online niche. And basically what I have been doing for, the past few months is I look for videos that are performing very well for their channels, right? So I look at these big channels, and what I like to do is I like to find videos that are getting more views than the typical amount of views that they typically get, right? So with Andy FL's channel, most of his videos are getting anywhere around 1,000 to 2,000 views, sometimes 3,000. But this video right here is getting about 7,000 views, or it got a little over 7,000 views, and it was only posted about a month ago. So this video is obviously performing better than a lot of his other videos. And if we check that out right here, this is about a 12-minute video where he goes over how to make 12,000 on YouTube without making videos, right? So let's say, for example, that you're promoting this offer right here, and you want to create more topics around, to promote this offer, right? Well, what you could do is you could talk about things that this product, of course, helps their customers do, right? When one of the things is making videos without showing their face, or making money on YouTube without making videos, and you could do a video on that, right? So you could do a video on that topic for about 10 to 12 minutes. You can make it very similar to Andy's. Of course, you want to make yours somewhat unique, but you can model the title. You could use the same keywords if you want to, use a tool like TubeBuddy or vidIQ, and then you could simply upload it to YouTube and then include your affiliate link in the description down below, right? And if you do this consistently, if you have, really nice thumbnails that capture attention, that get people to, of course, click, and you have, great titles, great thumbnails, and of course it's, optimized in a way that where it'll actually get the views, this is some of the highest quality stuff that you can get pretty much everywhere. And this is exactly what I've been doing to grow my channel within the past 6 months, right? And it's allowed my channel to grow a lot faster than ever before is with this exact strategy right here. So if you want to learn more about how to use this strategy, step by step, more in detail, NDFL actually has a course on this, and you could check it out through my link down below if you want to do that. That is my affiliate link. The second link down below will take you to NDFL's webinar that will show you step by step how to do this more in detail, with the piggyback strategy. And it's a lot different than, what a lot of other courses teach, with YouTube. But this is one of the best ways of creating passive income with YouTube. Otherwise, if you want to learn more about how to do affiliate marketing kind of in general, and you want to learn more about how to build a long-term business with affiliate marketing, you can simply click on the first link down below, enter your first name and email right here, click on the button, and from here you get instant access to my free 4-day training that I put together. And this goes more in depth about how to build a highly profitable business online with affiliate marketing, right? So anyways, hope you got lots of value in this video. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and take care.